Welcome Primary 4. Today we are going to continue Lesson 3, the cell. As we studied before that we have two types of cells, plant cell and human or animal cell. And we studied about the plant cell. Today we are going to study the animal cell. This is its shape under the microscope. As you see, they are similar units that are arranged together. We said before that the animal tissue or plant tissue consists of symmetric cells or similar cells. And now let's talk about the structure of the animal cell and what is the difference between it and the plant cell. Number one, we said that in plant cell there is cell wall. Okay, do you think animal cell has only also cell wall? No, animal cell doesn't have cell wall. Okay, so animal cell doesn't have cell wall. Number two, cell membrane. As we said before that plant cell has cell membrane. Do you think animal cell has also cell membrane? Yes, animal cell has cell membrane. Okay, it is the outer layer. It is the outer membrane or layer of the animal cell. What its function? It controls the substances that enter or leave the cell. It controls the substances that enter or leave the cell. So the animal cell consists of plasma membrane or cell membrane. Number two, cytoplasm. Number two, cytoplasm. It's a fluid or liquid that fills the cell and all the components are suspended in it. And we said before that suspended means swimming in it. Okay, so cytoplasm, it's a fluid that fills the cell where all the cell components are suspended in it. What its function? Its function, all the biological operations of the cell occur in it. All the biological operations of the cell occur in it. And we said before biological operations like nutrition, respiration, excretion. Okay, so cytoplasm, it's a fluid or liquid that fills the cell where all the components are suspended in it, and its function, all the biological operations of the cell occur in it. After that, it has also the nucleus, and it is the brain of the cell, and it organizes the biological process in the cell and responsible for the cell division. It organizes the biological operations and responsible for the cell division. The last component is vacuole or small vacuoles. Small vacuoles. So the structure of the animal cell, it has cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm and small vacuoles. So the plant cell is characterized than the animal cell by the presence of cell wall and chloroplasts. So cell wall and chloroplasts are in the plant cell but not in the animal cell. Characterized means plant cell has something not in the animal cell. The animal cell has indefinite shape. The animal cell has indefinite shape. Why? Due to the absence of cell wall. We said before that the plant cell has definite shape because it has cell wall, but the animal cell has indefinite shape because the absence of cell wall. Okay, primary 4, you know that human, animals, plants, they are multicellular living organisms. That means they have more than one cell. But we have also another organisms, we call them unicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms. That means they have only one cell. Their bodies have only one cell. And we have examples of them. Yeast fungus. Yeast fungus. You know this yeast? We use it in baking cake to make the cake bigger in size. Okay, this is the structure of the cell of yeast fungus. As we said, the yeast fungus is a unicellular microorganism. Unicellular, composed of one cell, only one cell, and it contains cell wall, nucleus, cytoplasm, vacuole. Cell wall, nucleus, cytoplasm, and vacuole. The economic importance of the yeast fungus, we use it in what? Number one, in making bread, where it produces carbon dioxide gas that causes the swelling of bread. Okay. Number two, in making alcohol, where it converts or it changes sugar solution into alcohol and carbon dioxide. So we use yeast fungus in making bread and in making alcohol. Let's answer these questions together. The plant cell and the animal cell are similar in the presence of what? What and what? The plant cell and animal cell are similar in the presence of plasma membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. So the plant cell and animal cell are similar in the presence of plasma membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. Number two, the plant cell is characterized than the animal cell by the presence of what and what? What in the plant cell and not in the animal cell? Cell wall and chloroplast. You know that chloroplast, we find it in the plant cell because the plant cell can make its own food, but animal cell, animals or humans, can't make their own food, so we don't have chloroplast. Is an example of the unicellular organisms. Example of unicellular organisms: yeast fungus, and we said that yeast fungus consists of only one cell, so we called it unicellular organism. The yeast fungus is used in making what and what? Bread and alcohol. Bread and alcohol. Thank you.